between and so the question has to state the now and alternate hypothesis, right? So we have to state the what the alternate the now hypothesis H naught and what in alternate hypothesis H1 and it. So we want to investigate, right? Algorithm. The hypothesis that algorithm A is a lower average execution time than algorithm B. So our alternate hypothesis is actually to investigate. And we are dealing with what? We're dealing with means and it. So we are saying mu for algorithm 1 for algorithm A, so is what? Is less than what? Than mu of algorithm what? Of algorithm B and it. But for our H naught and our now hypothesis will be saying mu for A is equals to what? To mu B and it. This is your total because I saying which apana msiano between execution time algorithm A and algorithm B, and we need to investigate which is it true that execution time algorithm A is actually faster than it. So for A it appears than it. Then for B, question B calculate the code standard deviation for the two samples and show you're working at it. Formula Hing code deviation and it we refer to our worksheets from our Institute of Technology at KPO, our formula sheet and it. And I'm pretty sure per page per page 2 under interference containing two samples. This one per page 2, this one formula you have to send this and it. So in the sheet SP squared N1 and it E squared standard deviation formula per E squared and it. So we need to introduce the square root and it to remove the square part span up and it. So if we introduce the square root, right? This is just now SP. Yeah, and it N1 tina and it N1 angari 10. N1 tina ari 10. So I say SP the square root of G 10 minus 1 and it S1 squared standard deviation here algorithm angari 6.2 by 6.2 squared and it plus G for N2 again angari 10 minus 1 standard deviation here algorithm B was 7.5 squared and it all of this under G 10 plus 10 minus 2 and it. So let's punch this into our calculators. So if we punch into our calculators, put deviation of 6.88